Hi guys, now lady, joyful baby care. If you never subscribe for this channel, what do you dey wait for? Kindly subscribe so that you go dey hear the dime story. The dime this matter where they go. Depression na real, na true. And if una ask me, depression dey kill, e no dey kill, but e dey make people, e dey make them dey go gaga. If you quick observe her, you no go reach to that extent to that woman when she dey shout so. You can ask for help yourself. It's just a pill. You go dey take am. You go dey calm you down. Depression na e be like bad spirit where they move to the head. You go dey give you negative things. Think negative things. Just your mind go dey tell you carry knife, kill that thing. Your mind go dey tell you jump for window. Your mind go dey tell you dive for river. Your mind and your brain go dey connect. You no go dey do normal thing again. That be depression. But when Italians, doctor don't know, say you depressed, and they go call you for interview, the way you take talk to them, they get their work. They know their work. They go know whether you depressed or not, whether you don't reach demence. They call it dementia. If old women, now they take the mercy pass. Not be injection that they give them. Now drop of something that they put for water. That thing to make them relax their brain, to calm their brain, because now let that brain, now they make them depressed. Not be another thing. If you want to know woman where it start when depressed, before you go reach to that stage, to that our sister, so they don't do anything for us again. If you enter their house, they go gather clothes, disorganized. They know they need. Once doctor don't come your house, come check, see say the way of your house just be say this place atmosphere, no be where they go leave children again. They go carry the children. They go put you for communita. Communita now where they help women and men, not only our black, many people they did. That merits when they give them so put for water give. If they make them sluggish, if they make them the brain not they collect too much, they think too much far. No be only husband leave you, they make person depressed. So childbirth, yes, they lead to depression. Yes, you want do what your mate do, you no feel rich. If they give them to, if they lead to depression. You want put hand for many things where you're not supposed to do. It dey lead to depression. But the most depression we have for the start, now childbirth. The moment you don't begin the get belle, they born. So not be like say they lose for your body. Now there, now all those things for the start. Now it makes sometimes you they see Italian, they keep themselves busy. They ready to clean their house every time to remove their brain for taking. Taking can lead to depression. Not be only husband leave you. Yes, there are many women out there. But when husband leave, you talk of that husband though, when you know your right, you know what you are doing, and you they work. Husband cannot leave you and you be depressed. Who born that husband? When you not be because you want marry Oyibo. You go marry Oyibo, you don't want to do anything. You did they wait for the Oyibo 24/7. You did kill yourself. You dey for talk and say marry Oyibo no dey work. Oyibo you supposed to dey work. The one Oyibo they give you, they collect and journal. Now brain, now wisdom. My lady are there. Mona no marry Oyibo, mona stay house. Mona no marry Oyibo because of say they get. Oyibo they said they still need help. They need help. Now they even need their pass us. Because you know why? They live free life. They want to go their vacation. Every summertime. They want to carry the children, carry the wife. They gather their money. Oyibo ready to spend 10,000 for vacation. Yes. But we black. We go think of mama. Not be say don't they give mama chop. Oh yes, your mother is your first priority. Your father, your mother, your siblings, those ones now once in a while. But your mother and your father, those ones now the first priorities. People, me, I marry Oyibo. You cannot see it on me. I work hard for my money. Then I collect join my own. Now me go say, yes, this is what to use, and this is not what to use. Many things they will go talk about to women when marry Oyibo for this our channel. About things where the apple for this Italy. Italy don't save my life. Me what they talk for now so. So more site, try subscribe to this YouTube channel. More carry this subscriber to 2,000. Then una could see many bomb of message. I say my true life story will come out. Now me go take myself to my mouth talker. Is a testimony. Italian saved my life. Today, if I see people where they throw man give Italian white woman, I don't blame them. Now depend on how others they behave. The real people where marry Italian, where they live fine, they live good. They know they talk. Now their appearance, now their doings, now they talk for them. But you see those people where they marry Italian, shit no they nyash. Now they go talk pass. You marry Italian, no me say you no go work. Go and work for yourself. Don't be a lazy woman. Don't be a lazy woman. We go talk about how to get documents when you marry white man. Many people lack it. We go talk on how to get residence. You marry white man. Many people lack it. We go talk about how to get, you know your rights when you marry white man. This is not the China. Even when you marry black, follow, belong, subscribe on your notification bell. Now there you go see the meetings when I go to post. Because I'm a very busy woman. I'm a positive mindset. So I don't want to praise myself. I don't want to praise myself. But I thank God. My lady, we are all one. You marry Italian, you marry white, you marry any man where you marry my bed. Try to build your home. Build your home. No con kill the man career or kill the man effort. Now, lady, joyful baby care. More video to come out. This 2021. Now full power, full force. Now take come out. No more shame again. No more hiding. Yes. No more shame. My story will save a life. Italian saved my life today. I am still saying it. Not be saying na my mind. Not be saying na Gary. Many people they frustrated because no work. They don't know what to be their level. They cannot even speak Italian. Come stai, they don't know. Dove vai, they don't know. Come ti chiami, they don't know. Quanti anni, they don't know. Che paese si, they don't know. Da dove vieni, they don't know. All those things, now the things where we see if you dey inside Italy, you're supposed to learn. It go help you. They get people where they help. They get people where go help you. They get where you go. They go help you. If you know your way. Most of them are ignorant. Now they make the day back. Why? Me they not carry my picky. Me they not carry my picky. Me they not carry. When you are a hard-working woman, now small. Now they consign Italy. Then when you they come, ask too much. Now tell them go ask you, so you can't provide. Why you they born? We go. Many people don't know for this abroad. Say for this Italy, say that they pay women money. They don't know. I say, when I subscribe to this channel, all of them will they come out. Then they pay women money. That's why I say you marry. And if you know your level. Bye-bye. Hope to see you soon. Hope to get there. That 200 subscribers. And on your notification bell. Bye-bye. This 2021. We don't come out with our flying colors. I say, my prayer for this 2021 now, flourishing. We shall flourish in all angles of our life. Whatever the devil has taken from you, this 2021, we gain it back. But in what way? Focus. Have a purpose in life. When you have those two things, your purpose, especially. You know your purpose why you're on earth. You know your purpose why you are a woman. You know your purpose why you are a mother. The sky is your limit. If they talk and say, this abroad, people wear it favor. I think among people wear favor. Yes. If I did talk out with the smile where I did smile. Yes. I think among people wear favor. Okay. Bye-bye. See you soon. Don't forget to subscribe, because we get a lot of things to do. We get how to cook Italian food. We get how to do the nails. We get many things, how to take care of the skin. We get how to take care of the face when you know go quick old. If I tell you my age, you cannot believe it. I'm not gonna make up for face, so no makeup for my face. These are my natural face. Why? I invest my time for it. When you dey work, man no go ask you. They buy you here. Wait, which food you want chop? They male you here. They no go ask you. Don't where you dey go when you dey work. That's why you know your necessary things. You work to assist the man. You don't work to carry give the man. No. I say, Mona, join this. Mona, subscribe this YouTube channel. Better things than they come. Even for Facebook, Joyful Baby